Hello, if you want to close an app on iPad mini 7th generation, what you can do is, for instance, tap on these three dots at the top in the middle, and then you have the option to close the app like so. You can also just swipe from the bottom towards the middle, just swipe it quickly in order to return to the home screen, or you can also swipe from the bottom towards the middle, but this time you want to hold it like this so that you see different apps, and then you can swipe it up in order to close it as well. So these are all methods that allow you to close an app. Of course, if you have the app opened and you go back to the home screen, you can still open the list of these apps like so, and once again you will find YouTube over here. And if you close YouTube over here by using these three dots, then you will not find it in the list of opened apps over here as well. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!